Hi guys and girls, how to disable notifications whilst driving on your iPhone. Take it away. When you are driving, answering a text or writing a text or answering the phone with your hand is illegal in the country of England. So what you can do is you can actually disable notifications whilst you're driving, and this is for iOS 11 onwards. So in settings, go into do not disturb, and at the top enable the do not disturb setting, and then scroll right down to the bottom. Do not disturb while driving, set it to automatically, and the phone will automatically know when you're moving because of the roaming feature, and it will just disable notifications. So no phone calls, no text alerts, nothing from WhatsApp, Instagram, Facebook, all of that. So you can stop yourself getting a fine or going to prison, and I can drive safe in the knowledge that I am being legal. Thanks for watching, guys and girls. Appreciate it. That's the end.